following is a presentation of WGN Sports.
Fourth-year head coach Gary St. Jean is looking to push the team from California State Capitol into an NBA contenders role. And things are looking up for the 23-16 Sacramento Kings. Led by four-time All-Star guard Mitch Richmond, the Kings are in the playoff hunt in the West. But tonight they face the NBA's record-setting phenomenon of Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, and the Chicago Bulls. Bulls and Kings are next. It was a crystal clear 55-degree day in the state capital of California. It's a beautiful night as the Chicago Bulls go for a piece of history here at Arco Arena in the state capital of California against the Sacramento Kings. All right, the Bulls and Kings are just ahead. We'll be back with the starting lineups. The opening tip's just ahead on WGN.
Chicago Bulls basketball is brought to you by Miller Lite. When you've got the great taste of an ice-cold Miller Lite, life is good. Your local Ford dealer. See 5 of the 10 best-selling vehicles in America at your local Ford dealer today. Your local McDonald's restaurant. Have you had your break today? Electric Avenue, Montgomery Ward. The store for great prices on brand-name electronics and appliances. AT&T, the official telecommunications company of the NBA. Your Chicagoland, Northwest Indiana Toyota dealers. I love what you do for me, Toyota. And by Southwest Airlines, the official airline of WGN-TV Sports. Fly Southwest, the low-fare airline.